It's a special day because we have a very unusual person in our midst, and I want to honestly appreciate his presence. Like I said before, I'm happy that you're here with us. What we're doing this morning is to show that our government takes the issue of welfare very serious. When we came on board, this particular project was one of the projects that we inherited. And after the reports that we received from the ministry, and also some concerns that were also made from the judiciary, we felt it doesn't matter who started the project. It doesn't matter who is even the contractor. But what is important is to complete this project because it's all about Rivers State. It has not been an easy 16 months. But what is important is the interest of our state must be above our personal interests. I want to say it here, very loud and clear to everyone. The Supreme Court has given a judgment. My administration is going to implement the judgment to its fullest. The reason is clear. It's not about me. It's about the good of this state. We can imagine the kind of waste that has taken place in both sides. These are money that if we have used it in the affair of this state, there would have been a lot of things to show. Thank God we're where we are today. I can assure you publicly that any day, anytime, I have not turned back by that my statement. Nothing is too big to pay for peace in this state. Because at the end of the day, it's about our people. It's not about me. I will live, but the good work that I've done will speak and will defend my generation.